कंपनीज जैसे एडलवाइस आगे आ रही हैं और वुमेन एथलीट्स को सपोर्ट कर रही हैं, आपका कोई कमेंट इस बारे में, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, it's about time, and I think I'm grateful to a lot of corporates like Edelweiss also that they are supporting. जबकि ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए we are all equal. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. This sounds very strange to me that they are supporting. It should have been already like this throughout, and it is I would say it is a necessity. It's a given thing. It's not that that we are turning it. It's unfortunate that we are trying to turn it and bring it like this, but it should have been like this from beginning of life. And I always feel, मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ और देखा भी है, सुना भी है कि women are more stronger than men. And that is a fact because I have even seen it scientifically also. मैं आपको एक छोटी कहानी सुनाऊं अगर आप लोग इजाज़त दें. तो एक छोटी सी कहानी है, मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूं, जो कि मैंने देखा था टोरंटो में. एक बार एक इमरजेंसी लैंडिंग हो रही थी फ्लाइट की, एंड द फ्लाइट वाज लैंडिंग, एंड हो सकता था कि it would have been a disaster. So the pilot was landing the plane on water, and this is a true story. He was landing the plane on water, but it was a 80-20 chance, 80 chance of people not surviving and 20% chance of people may survive. So the plane landed, and it was a successful landing. And when everybody reached there, they opened the gate of the plane. Plane का दरवाजा जब खोला, you know what they could smell? They smelled urine. They were smelling urine. And when they realized and when they examined everyone, they realized 80 to 85% men had done urine in their pants. And it was only about 12 to 15% of women, they had urine in their pants. So this shows कि जब संकट का वक्त आता है, it is always women who are strong enough to take it, and their gut is much stronger than men. So I think so that is what I feel, and we should always encourage. We need a lot of women to take part, and the women have been showing great like how Himan Das she has won the gold medal, and so now it will keep on going on and on.